take a look at what I picked up at the thrift shop. I think this was probably used as a candle holder. It has 3 little legs, and it almost looks like it's standing on 3 little legs. I thought it was so cute. I'm going to turn this into a table lamp. The price tag wouldn't come off cleanly, so I heated it up with a hairdryer first. That worked really well, it peeled right off. I actually like the color, so I'm keeping it as is. I also picked up a lampshade that fits perfectly. If you've seen the lamps I've made before, you probably know I like to use rechargeable bulbs, so no wiring needed. At first, I was going to use this metal rod to raise the height of the lampshade. But then I thought of a simpler solution. I had bought this piece a while ago. I'm not even sure what it was originally for, but it's stone and pretty heavy. Because of the weight, it makes the lamp much more stable. There wasn't anything attached to the bottom, so I added clear bumper pads to protect the surface. It doesn't really need to be attached, but I secured it lightly just in case. And that's it, so easy. I searched online to see if similar lamps were being sold, and I found a few that look like this. On my bedside table, all I really need is a lamp, a good book, a nice smelling hand cream, and a coaster for tea or water. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I was able to make mine for about $20 total, including the $10 bulb. You should try making one too. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here.